Okay, goodbye. Oh my goodness, I just got a call that some of y'all are out here stinking. You're at your desk, you're at your cubicle, and you smell bad because you're either afraid to use deodorant for whatever reason, or you're using the wrong deodorants with aluminum, all these other things in it. But I'm here to show you. I'm at 𝙤𝙤. Yes, I said 𝙤𝙤 because I'm bougie. I'm at 𝙤𝙤. All of you DM me, what kind of deodorants can I use? I'm gonna show you the ones that I use, and I'm gonna show you what they have here. It's local, it's close, it's no excuse, okay? Let's get it. Okay, so a lot of you niggas be wearing Old Spice and Degree and whatever you're doing. I don't know what you're doing in this aisle. You see this aisle? You see all these colorful things? Get up out of this aisle. Come over here. Behold, the natural way. This is where you need to be. Natural. You know what I'm talking about? Natural, 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 natural. So for all you getting that Old Spice, cut that out. This is where I live at with the natives. See what that's saying? Aluminum free. I don't know what paraben is, but you don't need it. You know, I don't know what it is, but you don't need it. Come in, give it a little smell. This should smell fire. Smell fire. Smell like coconut and vanilla. This is the one I previously had. That cucumber mint. You can't go wrong. Okay, that's fire too. I just had that. That's what I got on right now, so I smell nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Native is my choice. They got Schmidt's, jasmine tea, whatever. Juniper if you really want to get hipster or bougie. The price is a little expensive, but it's worth it. Your health is worth it. You feel me? And also, before this video is done, Native, get me in the commercial. I can be the spokesman for this brand. You get me? Shop Native. Let me get this one. I think it's only $1. F-R-E-E. As you see, we're gonna be fresh. So all of you out there using that Old Spice, put that shit away. Come get natural with us.